students, welcome to VZ. VZ here Easy presents NCERT Solution for class 12th, and today we'll be discussing chapter number 4. Chapter 4 is about reproductive health, and today we are discussing two things. One, that is question and answer, what you're supposed to write in an answer, and two, its explanation. Okay students, so let's start with question number 1. Let's read the question. Question here says, what do you think is the significance of reproductive health in the society? So, here significance is importance. So students, why do you think being aware about reproductive health is important? For a better future of the country? So what you're supposed to write here is something like this. Let's read the answer. In a society, if people are aware of birth control methods to avoid sexually transmitted diseases and the importance of breastfeeding and postnatal care of the mother and baby, then the society can have what? Healthy children who are the future citizens of the nation. Okay students, easy? You can write this in other words like, I believe that if people are more aware about reproductive health, there would be a better chance to avoid sexually transmitted diseases and shed a light on importance of breastfeeding and postnatal care of mother and the baby. And thus, that will have a healthy society to lead a better future. In simple words, you are supposed to say things like more awareness about reproductive health, postnatal care, and at the end just add that if we have healthy babies, then there is healthy or young future or a better future. So, better the awareness, better is the future.